So I'd like to explain how solar panels work. And basically they all use something called the photovoltaic effect. So let's write that down. The photovoltaic effect. And what that means is it basically takes light energy that is carried by photons and it transforms it into electrical energy carried by electrons. So those are basically the two big things. So I can write that down. And transforms it into electricity. So when sunlight hits a solar panel, again, there's like two cases. One, the light beam can just refract, or deflect rather, and pretty much being useless. But sometimes it can actually get absorbed by the solar panel by an electron. And basically there's two layers in a solar panel, and this layer, by the way, is filled up by a lot of electrons. It's basically saturated with billions and billions and billions of electrons that are just waiting. They're just waiting there. And basically they're all trying to do the same thing. They're trying to jump over this barrier here, this fence. Why? Because there is a lack of electrons on the other side. So I can denote that by putting these positive symbols. And basically, if you know your physics, you know that opposites attract. And basically these electrons are trying to jump over. They're trying to jump over to the other side. But they don't have enough energy to do so. So they just sit there, until what? Oh, this light ray hits an electron. So basically light energy. And that light energy gets absorbed, and then this electron gets excited and says, okay, I am able to jump over this fence. I have enough energy to jump over this fence. So it does it. It jumps over the fence. And then, if you have an electrical wire attached, you can make this electron follow this line, and you can make it go wherever you want. Now you could make that power a light, like an LED. That's the symbol for an LED, which basically is a light bulb, if you will. And then once it passes through the LED, it goes back to its original layer, where it just sits there until it gets hit again by another light ray. And then this one can jump over. And basically what you want in a solar panel is to have all these electrons hopping over continuously so that they all flow through here to have what? An electrical current. An electrical current. So again, you have the PV effect. This is basically the PV effect. Taking light energy and transforming it into voltage, a voltage potential, electrical. And you know, you could use anything. You could use this electrical energy to power anything. You could have an array of solar panels and power your home. You could have it connected to a motor if you have enough electrical power. But basically, that's pretty much it. That's the photovoltaic effect. So thanks for watching.